Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today. I want to talk about the many different applications that a vapor honing system is useful for and sticks out and does very well. We have an array of different applications from external motorcycle parts to small engine parts, people who are rebuilding small engines in the world. But again, going back to the restoration parts, a triple tree for a motorcycle, the Honda CB450 cam holder that was so controversial a couple weeks ago. And yes, it is the same part for all of you Debbie doubters out there. We have stainless steel here. This is showing you the finishing capabilities of stainless steel. Of course, these are finishing capabilities of well, it's not 6061, but aluminum cast parts. Then we want to go over to internals right here. We have pistons and we have transmission shafts. You guys have seen probably some of this content in the past few months on a lot of these different parts. But these are different alloys, different materials, and we have different objections with the vapor honing process, or objectives with the vapor honing process with each and every application. You go from finishing to cleaning and inspection, and back to finishing and or cleaning for rebuilding. And that just shows you how versatile of a tool a vapor honing system can be in your shop or in your personal garage. And there's normally not a one-size-fits-all solution for all of these different products and applications, and that's where we come in. We help you set up a process that meets your needs. But again, inspection on the internals here, probably one of our biggest things, and that we love and that we advocate. You can actually clean this part without destroying the surface finish and the integrity of the part, and you can inspect to see if there's any wear, excess wear, that you may not be able to reuse the part. Same with the piston here. I mean, you can always find cracks in pistons if they're there, because we're not smudging or moving the material around so that you cannot see a crack. So if you guys have questions on how we can help with a vapor honing system, please give the sales team a call or shoot them an email. They're always here and happy to help. As always, thanks for watching.